To install the passenger package on the RadRunner, you'll need a 13 and 10mm wrench, a 4mm Allen wrench, a torque wrench, and optional nitrile gloves. To install the foot pegs, pass a split washer, then the washer onto the bolt. Ensure the foot pegs are oriented so that they fold upwards. Press the foot peg against the mounting point while installing the bolt. Use a 13mm wrench and torque to 20 Nm. Fold the peg up and out of the way, and repeat the process on the other side. To install the wheel skirts, begin by removing both sides of the protective film from each wheel skirt. The shorter wheel skirt will go on the right side or the same side as the chain. Align the large round holes which are for the foot peg bolts. Move the wheel skirt into place and pass a bolt through one of the mounting points in the frame and through the wheel skirt. Install a washer onto the bolt end, thread on the lock nut and tighten by hand. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 bolts on the right wheel skirt, and then for the 4 bolts on the left wheel skirt. While installing the wheel skirts, use caution to avoid touching the chain or wear nitrile gloves. Use a 10mm wrench and 4mm Allen wrench to tighten all hardware to 4 Nm. Lastly, install the elevated rear seat. Align the 4 mounting points on the bottom of the seat with the mounting holes in the rear rack tubing. Pass a bolt up through the bottom of the rack and carefully thread into the mounting point on the underside of the seat. Loosely tighten and repeat with all 4 bolts. Use a 4mm Allen wrench to tighten the bolts evenly. Torque to 4 Nm and do not over-tighten. Before riding, read and understand the owner's manual, especially the sections pertaining to riding with a passenger, and have your work inspected by a certified, reputable bike mechanic. Ride rad!